Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, hope you will be safe and sound. This is Muhammad Shafiq from British Institute. Today in this video I'll explain the meaning of tip off in English and Urdu. So let's get started. Tip off. To give somebody like the police a secret warning or piece of information, particularly about illegal activities. पुलिस जैसे किसी को खुफिया वार्निंग या मालूमात देना, खास तौर पर गैर कानूनी सरगर्मियों के बारे में. For example, the police must have been tipped off about his activities. पुलिस को इसकी सरगर्मियों के बारे में इत्तला जरूर मिली होगी. Number 2, acting on a tip-off. The police arrested the drug dealers. पुलिस ने खुफिया इत्तला पर कार्रवाई करते हुए मुंशियात फरोशों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया. As a noun, we use a tip-off is a piece of information or a warning that you give to someone, often privately or secretly. यानी खुफिया इशारा या मालूमात. For example, anti-narcotics officers had received a tip-off about a shipment of drugs. Anti-narcotics अफसरान को मुंशियात की कैब के बारे में खुफिया इत्तला मिली थी. Synonyms यानी मुतरादिफ अल्फाज. Hint, word, information or warning. The other meaning we use for basketball, that is the act or instance of putting the ball in play or by jump ball. यानी दो हरीफों के दरमियान गेंद उछाल कर खेल का आगाज करना. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.